There are thousands of travel backpacks on the market, and most of them are designed for someone who isn't actually you. Hiking-focused packs that look great on a trail but get awkward at airport security. Cheap carry-ons that fall apart on the third trip. Overpriced status packs that cost $300 and still don't fit a laptop properly. The space is genuinely overwhelming, and most travelers spend more time researching backpacks than they do planning the trip itself, only to end up with something that almost works, but quietly disappoints them every time they fly. The wrong bag turns every airport experience into a small struggle. The right bag becomes invisible. You stop thinking about it because it's never the problem. The truth is, you don't need to test 100 bags to find the right one. Across thousands of frequent travelers, business commuters, digital nomads, and weekend flyers, the same 8 backpacks consistently show up at the top of every honest recommendation list. Not the ones with the biggest marketing budgets, the ones that actually hold up over years of real travel. They each solve a slightly different travel problem, and once you understand which problem each one solves, picking the right pack for your style of travel becomes simple. The differences between them aren't subtle. They're built for genuinely different traveler profiles, and matching the pack to your actual trips is the entire game. In this video, we're breaking down the 8 travel backpacks worth knowing about, what each one is built for, where it shines, and the kind of traveler it works best for. We'll cover everything from the carry-on optimized packs that maximize legal airline space, to the premium long-haul packs designed for serious travelers, to the smaller, smarter options that handle weekend trips and business overnighters with ease. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which one belongs on your shoulder for your next flight, and you'll never have to fall down the research rabbit hole again. If you've ever bought a backpack that looked perfect online and turned out completely wrong the moment you actually traveled with it, this is the video that prevents that from happening again. The packs in this list aren't theoretical recommendations. They're the ones that frequent flyers, photographers, business travelers, and full-time nomads keep coming back to. Bags that have proven themselves in the kind of conditions that quickly expose weak design. Hit the like button before we get into it. It helps more travelers find content that cuts through the noise instead of adding to it. If you want to travel smarter and never waste money on the wrong gear again, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more travel breakdowns coming your way. Let's start with the pack that almost every serious traveler ends up at eventually, no matter where they began. 1. Peak Design Travel Backpack, 45 liters. The pack that replaces everything else. If there's one travel backpack that has earned near universal praise across every type of traveler, photographers, business travelers, weekend flyers, full-time nomads, it's the Peak Design Travel Backpack, 45 liters. The reason is simple. It was designed by people who actually fly often, and every detail of the pack reflects that experience. It expands and compresses between 30 liters, 35 liters, and 45 liters, which means the same bag handles a weekend trip and a 2-week journey without being too big or too small for either. The build quality is the kind of thing you notice immediately when you pick one up. Weatherproof exterior, padded laptop sleeve, smartly placed pockets, and the kind of zippers that still feel solid after 2 years of daily use. The back panel opens fully like a suitcase, which makes packing genuinely easier than dealing with a top-loading hiking-style pack at a hotel or hostel. There's a clamshell organizer system that keeps small items findable instead of buried somewhere at the bottom. What makes this pack stand out for flying specifically is how it handles airport situations. It fits standard carry-on size restrictions when compressed, slides into overhead bins easily, and the stowable straps mean you can hand it to a hotel concierge or check it at the gate without buckles snagging on conveyor belts. It also pairs with their packing cubes, camera cubes, and tech pouches, all of which sound like accessories, until you actually use the system and realize the entire pack is built around modular organization. The price reflects the quality, but for someone who flies more than a few times a year, this is the bag that pays for itself in durability and convenience. It's the pack people stop looking after they buy. One detail that frequent users mention often is the laptop access. Most travel packs require you to open the main compartment to reach your laptop, which is annoying at security and worse on a plane. The Peak Design has a side access laptop pocket that lets you pull the device out and put it back in without disturbing anything else in the bag. 2. Osprey Farpoint 40. The travel pack built around real long-term trips. The Osprey Farpoint 40 has been the gold standard for backpacker-style travel for years, and it earned that reputation by being almost impossibly well-balanced for its category. It hits the maximum carry-on size for most international airlines, opens like a suitcase from the front panel, and features a hideaway harness system that converts it from a hiking pack to a clean travel bag with a single zipper. That harness detail matters more than it sounds. When you're checking the bag at a gate or stowing it in an overhead, exposed straps catch on everything. Where this pack genuinely shines is on trips that involve more than one mode of travel, backpacker routes, long-term travel, multi-city itineraries with airport to train to hostel transitions. The Farpoint handles all of it without ever feeling like the wrong bag for the situation. The internal compression straps keep clothing organized, the laptop and tablet sleeves are positioned for easy access, and the back panel is breathable enough that long walks through cities don't leave you soaked through. The price point is its other major advantage. At significantly less than premium travel packs, the Farpoint delivers most of the same functionality with a brand reputation that's been earned over years of real-world use. The warranty is also exceptional. Osprey's almighty guarantee covers virtually anything that goes wrong with the pack, which gives it a longevity that doesn't show up in initial reviews, but matters enormously over years of travel. For travelers heading into longer adventures, or anyone who values pack functionality over status, this is one of the most recommended bags in travel for good reason. The Farpoint also pairs with a smaller day pack option that zips onto the front of the main pack, turning it into a two-bag system for travelers who want a separate daily carry once they reach their destination. That kind of modularity is rare at this price point and makes the Farpoint genuinely versatile across different trip styles. Whether you're moving between cities every few days or settling into one location for a week, the system adapts. 3. Air travel pack. 3. The pack that looks like it belongs in a boardroom. Most travel backpacks have a distinct outdoor or expedition look. They're clearly made for a trail or an airport, and they communicate that visually the moment you walk into a hotel lobby or a client meeting. The Air Travel Pack 3 quietly solves that problem. From the outside, it looks like a clean, professional, premium tech bag. The kind of thing you'd carry into a corporate office without anyone questioning it. Open it up and it functions like a serious travel pack with full clamshell access, dedicated compartments, and intelligent organization throughout. The materials are part of why it pulls this off. The exterior is a high-grade ballistic nylon that's water-resistant, abrasion-resistant, and ages well rather than wearing down. The laptop compartment is genuinely the best in its category. Fully padded, separated from the main body of the bag, and accessible without unzipping the main compartment, which makes airport security significantly faster. There's a separate shoe compartment, a clothing section, a small item organization area, and a quick access top pocket for phone, passport, and earphones. This is the pack for the business traveler who doesn't want their luggage to look like luggage. It works for a weekend conference trip, an extended business journey, or a vacation where you'd rather not arrive looking like you just got off a hiking trail. The 35-liter capacity hits standard carry-on limits. The harness system is comfortable enough for long airport walks, and the overall design suggests competence rather than adventure. If your travel involves meetings on one end and you want a single bag that handles both flying and the work that follows, this is the cleanest choice in the category. Air also tends to attract travelers who eventually become loyal to the brand because the entire product line is designed with consistent thinking. Their day packs, gym bags, and tech sleeves all follow the same aesthetic and quality standards, which means once you've adopted one Air product, building out the rest of your travel kit feels natural. For minimalist professionals who value design coherence, this matters more than it might initially seem. 4. Tortuga Travel Backpack. 40 liters. The pack built specifically for maximum carry-on. Tortuga has built its entire identity around one specific goal, making the best possible carry-on travel backpack. Every design decision in the Tortuga Travel Backpack 40 liters is optimized for one scenario, maximizing what you can fit into a single bag that still meets airline carry-on dimensions. The result is a pack that looks deceptively simple from the outside, but consistently fits more than competitors of equivalent size. The shape is the secret. While most travel backpacks taper or curve at the edges, the Tortuga has a more rectangular, bin-friendly profile that uses every inch of allowed space. When you pack it, you get the full 40 liters in usable volume, rather than the deceptive numbers other packs claim but don't quite deliver. The clamshell opening makes loading easy. The laptop compartment is dedicated and well padded, and the suspension system keeps the bag comfortable even at full weight. Where Tortuga distinguishes itself is in the small details that frequent travelers care about. Lockable zippers for security, reinforced grab handles on every side, a hip belt that's actually padded rather than tokenistic, and water-resistant material throughout. It's not the flashiest pack in the category, but the philosophy is clear. Solve every actual travel problem rather than optimizing for marketing photos. This is the pack to choose if you're priority is fitting as much as possible into the smallest legal airline footprint. For one-bag travelers, digital nomads, and anyone who refuses to check luggage on principle, the Tortuga travel backpack is one of the most respected names in the space, and the 40-liter version is its strongest expression. The community around Tortuga is also worth mentioning. Because the brand is so focused on serious one-bag travelers, the user base tends to share genuinely useful packing strategies, real review feedback, and ongoing improvements that filter into newer versions of the pack. Buying into the Tortuga ecosystem is buying into a thoughtful, traveler-driven design philosophy, which is reflected in how the pack actually performs over years of use. 5. Cotopaxi Allpa, 35 liters, the pack with personality. That actually performs most premium travel packs come in some version of black, gray, or dark navy. The Cotopaxi Allpa 35 liters stands out partly because it doesn't follow that pattern. The brand is known for vibrant, multicolor designs that make their bags instantly recognizable on a luggage carousel. But the visual identity isn't what keeps people recommending it. The Allpa earns its reputation because it's genuinely one of the best organized travel backpacks in its size class, with the kind of internal layout that makes packing and unpacking feel intuitive rather than tedious. The interior uses a TPU-coated polyester that's both lightweight and incredibly durable. Inside, you get a full clamshell opening with two large mesh-zippered compartments, one for clothing, one for accessories, plus a separate padded laptop sleeve, accessible from the back panel. The organization is the kind that makes airport situations easier. When you need to grab something quickly, you know exactly which compartment it's in, and you don't have to unpack everything to reach it. The hip belt is removable, the harness system tucks away when you want a cleaner look, and the entire bag is sized to comply with carry-on restrictions on most international airlines. The 35-liter capacity is the right balance for travelers who want to carry enough for a week to 10 days without being weighed down by an oversized pack on shorter trips. The build quality is genuinely excellent. Cotopaxi offers a 61-year warranty, which says a lot about how confident they are in the construction. For travelers who appreciate distinct design without sacrificing function, this is one of the best-loved packs in the travel community. It performs at the same level as more expensive premium options at a noticeably lower price. Cotopaxi as a brand also has a values component that resonates with a lot of travelers. They donate a percentage of revenue to poverty alleviation efforts in Latin America, and many of their bags use leftover fabric from other manufacturers, which means each pack has a slightly unique color combination. For people who care about the story behind their gear as much as the gear itself, the Allpa carries an identity that mass market packs simply don't have. 6. Patagonia Black Hole, MLC 45 liters, the pack that refuses to wear out. If durability is your primary concern in a travel backpack, the conversation eventually comes back to Patagonia. The Black Hole MLC 45 liters, which stands for Maximum Legal Carry-On, is built from an exceptionally tough, recycled polyester ripstop with a TPU film laminate and water-resistant coating that handles real weather without complaint. This is the kind of pack you can use for a decade and still hand down to someone else who'll get another decade out of it. The materials genuinely don't break down the way most travel packs do. The design is more straightforward than some of the technical packs in this list. There's no over-engineering, no aggressive segmentation, no marketing-driven feature list. It's the pack equivalent of a well-built tool, focused on doing the job reliably rather than impressing you with options. What makes it ideal for flying is its versatility across travel modes. The shoulder straps tuck away cleanly when you want to use it as a duffel, then deploy when you need to walk a longer distance carrying it on your back. The 45-liter capacity handles longer trips without overflowing, while still meeting carry-on dimensions for most major airlines. The water-resistant exterior holds up through unexpected airport rain, taxi rides on wet streets, and the general abuse that travel inflicts on luggage. Patagonia's environmental commitments and ironclad repair policy add to the appeal. If something does eventually wear out, they'll fix it. For travelers who hate replacing gear and want a pack that becomes more like a long-term companion than a consumable, the Black Hole MLC is one of the smartest investments in the category. The other quiet advantage of the Black Hole line is how well known it is among other travelers. Walk through any major international airport and you'll see Patagonia bags constantly, which speaks to both their durability and the kind of traveler who chooses them. It's not a flashy pack, but it's a pack that signals you've already figured out what matters in luggage. Function over branding, longevity over trends, and a build quality that lets you stop thinking about your bag entirely. 7. Nomatic Travel Pack, 20 liters, the pack for quick trips and daily travel. Not every flight requires a 40-liter carry-on. For weekend trips, business overnighters, day flights, and travelers who simply don't need to pack much, a smaller, smarter pack is often the better choice. The Nomatic Travel Pack, 20 liters, hits exactly that target. It's compact enough to fit anywhere, including under the seat in front of you on most flights, while still being organized intelligently enough to hold a couple of days of clothing, your tech, backpack, and your daily essentials. Nomatic has built a reputation for tech-heavy travel design, and this pack reflects that. There's a dedicated, fully padded laptop compartment that opens flat for security, a smart electronics organization panel for cables and chargers, RFID-protected pockets for cards and passports, and a clamshell main compartment that opens fully for easy packing. The exterior is a clean tarpaulin material that's water-resistant, wipes clean easily, and ages without showing wear the way fabric packs sometimes do. This is the pack for travelers who fly often for short stretches, consultants, frequent business travelers, weekend explorers, or anyone whose typical trip is 1 to 3 days. It's also a great pairing with a larger checked bag for longer trips, serving as the smart carry-on that holds everything important while the main luggage is in the hold. The size and organization mean you can move through airports, hotels, and meetings without ever feeling overburdened. For shorter, faster travel, this is one of the most refined small pack designs available. It's not the bag for a month abroad, it's the bag for the way modern professionals actually move through the world. Nomatic also expands. The 20-liter can stretch slightly when you need a bit more room, which means you have flexibility on the rare day when you packed more than expected. Combined with the smart organization, the dedicated tech compartments, and the clean modern aesthetic, this is a pack that fits seamlessly into a professional life that involves regular travel without being defined by it. It looks at home in a co-working space, a hotel lobby, or a client's office. 8. Mystery Ranch Mission Rover, the pack for travelers who don't compromise. Mystery Ranch builds packs for military, mountain rescue, and serious expedition use, and they bring that same engineering DNA into their travel line. The Mission Rover sits at the higher end of the travel pack category in both price and capability, and it earns that position by being genuinely overbuilt in ways most travelers wouldn't realize they wanted until they actually use it. The harness system is significantly more comfortable than competitors at full load. The main compartment uses Mystery Ranch's 3-zip design, which gives faster, cleaner access to the contents than traditional clamshell packs. The materials are what you'd expect from a company that builds gear for people whose lives sometimes depend on their packs. The exterior is a heavyweight nylon that resists abrasion, the zippers are reinforced and lockable, and the internal frame keeps the bag's structure intact even when packed unevenly. The laptop sleeve is positioned against the back panel for both protection and balance, and the suspension system distributes weight in a way that long airport walks barely register. This is the pack for travelers who already know they want serious quality and are willing to pay for it. It works for international travel, multi-week trips, photographers carrying gear, journalists in the field, and anyone whose travel is demanding enough that pack failure isn't an option. It's not the right choice for occasional weekend flyers. It's overbuilt for that. But for serious travelers, it's a piece of equipment that performs at a level most travel packs don't approach. If your travel is regular, demanding, and you want gear that stays out of your way for years, the Mystery Ranch Mission Rover is one of the most respected packs in the category among people who actually travel for a living. The brand carries a weight in the gear community that's worth noting. Mystery Ranch packs are used by people whose work depends on equipment that doesn't fail. Military operators, search and rescue teams, professional photographers in difficult environments. When that engineering heritage shows up in a travel pack, it means every component has been over-engineered for a level of abuse most flyers will never put it through. The Mission Rover is the closest thing to a permanent travel pack you can buy. Once it's in your rotation, you're unlikely to ever need another one. Choosing a travel backpack isn't really about finding the perfect bag. It's about finding the right bag for how you actually travel. Each of the 8 packs covered in this video is excellent at something specific, and the right choice depends entirely on the kind of trips you take, the duration of those trips, the gear you carry, and the environment you move through. There is no single best travel backpack. There's the best travel backpack for you, and now you know which questions to ask yourself to find it. Think about your last few trips, honestly. How long were they? How much did you actually need to carry? Did you check a bag, or were you trying to do everything carry-on? Did your travel involve professional settings, casual exploring, both, or something in between? The answers to those questions point directly at which of these 8 packs belongs in your life. The Peak Design and Tortuga lead the category for serious carry-on flyers. The Osprey Farpoint owns long-term backpacker travel. The Air wins for business contexts. The Cotopaxi balances function and personality. Patagonia and Mystery Ranch are the durability leaders. And the Nomatic 20-liter is the right answer for shorter, more frequent travel. What separates travelers who love their packs from travelers who keep replacing them is the 30 minutes spent actually thinking about fit before the purchase. Not just reading reviews, but matching the pack to the actual life of the person buying it. Once that match is right, the pack disappears into the background and you stop thinking about luggage altogether, which is exactly what good gear is supposed to do. If this video saved you from the spiral of researching 40 different bags before buying the wrong one anyway, hit the like button right now. It tells us this kind of focused, honest content is worth making, and it helps other travelers find it before they spend money money on something that doesn't fit their needs. Subscribe if you haven't yet. We cover the gear, the strategies, and the real-world choices that make every trip smoother without the marketing fluff that fills most travel content. And share this with the friend who's been complaining about their travel bag for the last 2 trips. They probably already know the bag is the problem. They just need someone to tell them where to start. We'll see you in the next one.